The Pyramid of Khufu, also known as the Great Pyramid of Giza, is one of the most iconic structures in human history. Located on the Giza Plateau in Egypt, it is the largest and oldest of the three main pyramids and the only one of the seven wonders of the ancient world still in existence. Despite the passing of millennia, it continues to captivate scholars, archaeologists, and tourists with its extraordinary design, immense dimensions, and the unresolved mysteries surrounding it. The Pyramid of Khufu was built around 2560 BC, during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom of Egypt. It was commissioned by Pharaoh Khufu, also known as Cheops in Greek, the second ruler of the dynasty, who wished to erect a funerary monument that would celebrate his power and accompany him into the afterlife. The pyramid's construction took place during the height of Egyptian civilization, a time when the kingdom had abundant resources and an extremely efficient organizational system. Originally, the pyramid stood approximately 146.6 meters tall, but today its height is 138.8 meters due to erosion and the removal of the white limestone casing that once covered it. The pyramid's base measures about 230.4 meters per side, covering an area of approximately 5.3 hectares. It is estimated that construction took between 20 and 30 years and involved a workforce of 20,000 to 30,000 laborers, including artisans, architects, and specialized workers. The pyramid is composed of approximately 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons, though some larger blocks weigh up to 15 tons. The exact construction method remains a subject of study and debate. Some theories suggest the use of straight or spiral ramps, while recent discoveries, such as the Wadi al-Jarf papyrus, indicate that the blocks may have been transported along the Nile through a system of artificial canals. Inside the Pyramid of Khufu, there is a complex system of passages and chambers, the most significant of which are: the King's Chamber, located in the heart of the pyramid, contains the granite sarcophagus believed to have held the pharaoh's remains. The Queen's Chamber, which was not intended for the ruler's spouse but likely had a symbolic or religious function. The Grand Gallery, an ascending corridor with slanted walls and a vaulted ceiling that extends 8.6 meters in height and 47 meters in length. One surprising aspect of the pyramid is the presence of 4 narrow air shafts, 2 connected to the King's Chamber and 2 to the Queen's Chamber. Their exact purpose remains uncertain, but some scholars hypothesize they had a religious function, possibly aligned with specific stars linked to the pharaoh's cult. The stones used for the pyramid's construction mainly came from local quarries, while the granite used for the King's Chamber was transported from the Aswan quarries over 800 kilometers away. The finest limestone used for the outer casing was extracted from the Tura quarry. Theories regarding transportation techniques vary. Some researchers suggest the use of sleds lubricated with water to reduce friction on the sand, while others propose that the blocks were dragged on wooden rollers. In 2023, a significant archaeological mission revealed the existence of a secret corridor inside the pyramid, approximately 9 meters long. This passage is located behind the large chevron blocks of the northern facade and could provide new insights into the construction techniques used by the ancient Egyptians. The investigation was conducted using muon tomography, an advanced technology that allows exploration of the pyramid's interior without causing damage. The Pyramid of Khufu was not merely a tomb, but also a monument of profound spiritual and symbolic value. Its pyramid shape was associated with the solar deity Ra and represented a staircase to the heavens for the pharaoh's ascent among the gods. The concept of immortality and rebirth was central to Egyptian culture, and the pyramid was the means through which the ruler could reach the afterlife. Some scholars theorize that the pyramid also had an astronomical function. Its near-perfect alignment with the 4 cardinal points suggests that the ancient Egyptians possessed advanced astronomical knowledge. Additionally, it is believed that the pyramid's shafts were oriented toward specific stars in the Orion constellation, considered sacred. Over the millennia, the pyramid has suffered looting and damage, including the loss of its original limestone casing, which once gave it a smooth and brilliant appearance. However, thanks to conservation efforts and modern study techniques, it continues to provide new insights into Egyptian civilization. Today, the Great Pyramid of Giza remains one of Egypt's top tourist attractions, drawing millions of visitors each year who are fascinated by its history and secrets. Despite the passage of millennia, the Great Pyramid of Giza continues to pose an enigma for archaeologists and scientists. Modern studies and new technologies, such as muon tomography, may reveal further details about this extraordinary wonder of antiquity in the coming years. In the meantime, the pyramid remains a timeless symbol of the greatness of ancient Egypt and its remarkable engineering. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss future videos.